Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat camera problem. So guys, when you open your Snapchat and facing this type of issue that your camera has not open and facing you to use Snapchat, please allow access to your camera. Snapchat cannot take photo and video without this permission. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys here you will find option of app management or apps. So guys simply you need to click on this, and guys you need to click on app list. So guys simply you need to click on this tab, and guys here you need to find Snapchat. So guys simply you need to scroll it down and find your Snapchat app. So guys wait for a few seconds. As you can see, here is the option of Snapchat. Simply you need to open your Snapchat here, and guys you need to click on permissions, and guys you need to allow all permissions in your Snapchat. So guys it is allow. So guys if don't allow, then you need to make it allow all time, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to find here camera. As you can see, camera is not allowed. So guys simply you need to click on allow only while using the app. So guys simply you need to make it allow, and guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys now I am going to open my Snapchat, as you can see, and guys now you can see camera has been opened successfully. So guys after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to update your Snapchat. Maybe this problem is occurred due to update. So guys simply you need to open your Play Store and update your app. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.